Automatic placement on or off. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So should you use automatic placements on or off? There's a lot of for and against that, but let me show you and let's talk about it inside my ad account. I'll jump to my ad account now. Okay, now I'm in my ad account. So I just created a quick test ad here. Clicked on create, made a campaign here. This one. And then I'll go to the ad sets and click edit. And then the placements that we were talking about is all the way at the bottom here, placements. And it's by default now it's on Advantage Plus placements, meaning that Facebook decides where to place it. And this is okay if you are running leads or sales campaigns, because Facebook's algorithm has become so good that it's really useful, because it's going to look for leads or clients, whatever it is that you optimize for. So when you're looking for leads or clients, when you have a sales or lead campaign, then you can leave it on. But if you are running like a traffic campaign or engagement campaign, then which you shouldn't use that anyway too often, very seldom, because it's not getting you any leads or sales, and usually that's what we want, right? So I just want to show you anyway how you can change it, because it's kind of hidden a little bit. Because when you look here, there's only learn more, and then there's this button here, more, and that's not where you can change it. So Facebook is hiding it, but when you put your cursor up here, then this little edit button pops up. It's not there when you don't have your cursor on it. So then you click on edit here, and then you can change it to manual placements. And manual placements here, you can choose Facebook, Instagram, audience network. And audience network is really not so useful usually. It's not going to give you any leads or clients or customers. But when you have Advantage Plus placements on and you're optimized for leads or clients or customers, then Facebook's algorithm is quickly going to find out not to use the audience network. But if you're just optimizing for traffic, then all you want is just people to see your ad, and then it's going to show on audience network, because that's the cheapest placement. But those places are not going to convert at all, and you're usually not going to get any good traffic from there. So therefore I would turn it off in those cases, only when it's engagement or traffic or awareness also. But let's look at what is Facebook. If we just if you turn off Facebook, what it is you can also choose different placements on Facebook. There's Facebook profile feed. And of course, here we have Instagram also. Instagram feed, Instagram profile feed. And then there's a Facebook Marketplace, video feeds, right column on Facebook, Instagram Explorer. But when you have it all on, when you have Facebook and Instagram on, which I recommend, then it's going to be both the feeds, Instagram and Facebook feeds. So Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, Instagram profile feed, and Facebook Marketplace, and Facebook video feeds, Explorer on Instagram, and Instagram Explorer Home, stories and reels, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, in-stream ads for videos, and all these places. And that's fine when you're optimizing for Facebook, and no, when you're optimizing for leads or sales, because then Facebook is actually going to look for leads and sales. Rather when, like I said, when you're just optimizing for views or for traffic or for awareness, because then you're going to get the cheapest placements, which is the audience network. I hope it makes sense. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who might find it useful also. And also down below in the description, we have some free downloads. There's a Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants who want to run their own Facebook ads. Go ahead and download that for free. We also have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more about organic marketing, so you can go ahead and download that. If you are a coach or consultant and you're looking for more clients, then we actually specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants with Facebook ads. So you can book a free call with me to learn more about it. Right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client, but we're not going to have this offer for long. So go ahead and book a call with me to learn more about it. And also we have our free Facebook group, link in the description, where you can get more tips from me and other marketers, also link in the description, so go ahead and join that. Thanks for watching, take care, see you next time, bye.